This is my current balance, and not only that, let me tell you or show you now what I withdrew from the site. Click on the word withdraw, and as you can see, these are all proofs of withdrawal from the site. 627, Satoshi 864, 7305, 6927, 62505, 501. These are all proofs, and there is more than that as well. But this is the one that appears in front of me is just that. And of course, as you can see, the withdrawal methods available on the site are via Payeer, via Bitcoin, and also via FastPay. I mean, there is no excuse for you not to withdraw your money from the site. Payeer is available in all Arab countries, i.e. a Bitcoin wallet, any Bitcoin wallet. And FastPay is very excellent, guys. Here you will write a strong password for your email, learn about Yamnote Arab bot, and start solving the CAPTCHA. Choose traffic light in this way and click on verified on sign up. And a message will come to you by email and confirm this, and a message will come to you on your email through which you activate your account or your account on the site. It is very excellent. Guys, after you enter the site, the main page will be open in front of you in this way. Here you have two choices. Either earn money on Iron Money for watch or where to ads, or make an advertisement for your site, meaning you. Maybe you have a website, you have a blog that you want to get visits to. Of course, it will be real visits. Through this site, you pay money so that the site gets you visits. But we will work on Iron Money, which is very excellent. How can I ever earn from the site? Let us return to the main page, guys, as you see the word earn. I will click on the first. Stay on the side so everything remains clear. Stay here on the side at the word earn. Guys, step on this arrow to open all the methods we'll work on or earn from. We will start with the first one. It's called Surf Ads. It's good, it's strong, it's good. You have two choices here. Keep in mind, I have two methods by which profits are calculated, either by Satoshi, which is the currency of Bitcoin, or by the Russian ruble. You choose what you want. You want to withdraw with the Russian ruble. You want to withdraw with sushi. There's no problem. But if you ask, I am the king, do you agree? Abu Malik. The first one works on Satoshi, because Satoshi is the currency of Bitcoin and it increases with time. But the currency of the ruble does not move like digital currencies, so you are the best to devote all your effort to the currency of Satoshi or earn with the Satoshi currency. When you have more time, work again and would like to work more. Earn or do tasks related to the ruble currency. I will now work on the Satoshi currency. Come here, guys. For the word CAPTCHA, there is a problem in this CAPTCHA. You will step on the CAPTCHA, choose the first one. The CAPTCHA will remain. It's very, very easy. Just step on the days of Haman and solve the RAM that appears in front of you, which we know. We choose these two pictures and step on next again. Next, that's it. This remains easy for you. Very excellent. Earn Satoshi currency by opening more advertisements. Start now. One of them is that you will click on open and you will earn 2.8 Satoshis. Open page, wait 12 seconds, find writer for you. Wait for the camera for another 12 seconds. They are almost finished. Thank you. You have finished. You have earned 2.8 Satoshis. Do you not see that I have increased? I still have 654. Open a second website for me. This is what I click on open. Hey guys, here I am required to wait 14 seconds or 12 seconds. It is not necessary, of course, to open the page I am on, but do not close it until the time runs out so that you can count. Your price with you and your hand. Very excellent. Guys, I took 2.8 Satoshis and here I have 657 left in a few moments. Guys, one more is this. Let's look at the next one. Here it is also. Wait, 14 seconds. How many 2 Satoshi points will you take? All of this is from my server ads. I have the second left, guys. Server ads, but in rubles only. That's it, that's it. I took one Satoshi bot or one Satoshi bot. I still have 659. We'll go. When that's over, we know how to do it. All that you will do is go to open and see advertisements and do not close the page until the time runs out so that you can count your price or your amount with you, okay? We will go to the server ads, but these will still be in rubles. Guys, Hindus are like this in the days of Human and I will break this RAM. The squid story is unknown. No problem here. It's very good. He kept it. Telling me, you will open this advertisement, you will get it. Rubles, as you guys see here, I have 12.46. Open this like this. Open it. Hey guys. He said to me, wait for the camera again. This is the same story. Hours. There will be a watch website. There will be a video, you and your share. But here I have Boo04, not Boo05. Very excellent. This is because the first ad did not work. With me, I took the amount. Guys, I have 12.50 left. I start stepping on the word open again. As you guys see, this is the site. I come back like this here and find that I have 11 seconds written in front of me. The time is up. I will take 0.04 when my time runs out, guys. And I took my money in rubles. It is over. I keep the server ads in rubles. I go to the video ads and the third method. Of course, there are not many video ads available, but this amount is available, this advertisement. I will step on it like this. All that is required of me is that I watch this video, play the video like this, return like this to the site. It is not available. Oh, I am required to watch it for 26 seconds. It is written underneath. It is 26 seconds, guys. Okay? The time is up and I took the point or The robot's 0.04 outfit is excellent. Let's head to the shoulder window. Add it. He says there is no active window, but it's all finished now. Because of the high price and small size, take advantage of working on the shoulder window site. This is why we come to these conclusions. Autosurfing, guys. This autosurfing is about what page you open. Is it, guys, a page you open? This time, or this tape is reduced by 9 seconds, 8 seconds, not more than that. I mean, all that you are doing. You prefer to open the page and that's it, without clicking, without doing anything. You took 1.4 Satoshis. Of course, you can leave this page open at all times. It was written for you. Is it that we are waiting for any new link? This page only has a new link, even if you are working on the site. And don't open it. It gives you money on its own. That's why it's called auto window or auto serving. Open it sideways and start doing your work on the site. It's normal. There's no problem. We come after that to the Linux Shorts. This Linux Shorts is very, very good, but it works. But in rubles, how do I work? All you have to do is you click on the word visit. And you take this amount from the site Hindus Keda on the word visit on the first link. And all you do is that you shorten these links or pass. Click on the Contino link once, then click on the I am note link. The robot will open sites for you when you click on it. This is the idea of it. Shorten links, choose password, excellent. Wait 6 seconds for link creation for you. The 6 seconds are over. After that, I click on get link. It is very, very excellent. This is the idea of links in very, very seconds. You earn from it just because you pass the advertisements of this Linux short. Guys, give me a shot. I finished the first one. It tells me that it will be renewed again after 24 hours. After that, you worry about this and worry about this and so on. This is the easy way to profit from advertisements, from shortening links, and from browsing websites. Okay, I want withdraw now. Show us, Abu Malak, proof of withdrawal. Here I will show you proof of withdrawal. I will click, of course. Sorry, before we proceed with verifying the withdrawal, there is another option available. You can earn through referrals. If you are interested in marketing, we'll add you guys. Referrals, sir, you will have the referral link. Here, you point out the referral dome with your friends and you take a portion of their profit. The site, of course, is the one who pays it to you. It is not you or your colleague who pays it to you. I mean, okay, you work together and increase each other's profits. Okay, now we will go to the withdrawal. So I will click on the word withdrew and it will tell me you want. Of course, to show you the proof of the withdrawal, I will withdraw on FaustPay. Very excellent. Of course, I will put here the Bitcoin currency on FaustPay first. Of course, I will enter the password, and after that, I will click on withdraw, and it will tell me that the withdrawal has been completed. The withdrawal process is on its way. Okay, I apologize very much. Guys, sorry, he wrote to me here that the withdrawal was due because, of course, there was a lot left. I had withdrawn the last thing on 11/12 because I had not worked on the site for a period of time, as you guys see. He told me that the withdrawal would be delivered to you on the 111th. So God willing, I will make a montage during this period and show you proof of withdrawal. Check with me that the amount is 660 Toshi from the site. It is supposed to appear on your FaustPay wallet. God willing, I will leave you with proof of withdrawal at the end of the video. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and don't forget to like the video. Guys, within exactly 2 days, and maybe even less, meaning 24, after an hour and a while, the withdrawal was confirmed. I withdraw the amount from my account. Via Faust on 1/7/2024. This is confirmation of the withdrawal's arrival in my wallet.